Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. The Jamaican economy is expected to grow at a larger percentage than initially projected for this fiscal year. Now, Governor of the Bank of Jamaica, Richard Biles, gave the update that the gross domestic product GDP projection is to improve at Friday's press briefing.
The impact of stronger than expected improvements in the economies of Jamaica's main trading partners. The bank is currently projecting that real GDP growth for this fiscal year will be in a range of 7 to 10%, up from the 5 to 8% that we had indicated in May 2021. Leading indicators such as GCT flows and electricity consumption point to this rebound.
Now, expected growth in the tourism sector, strong growth in construction, and the control of COVID-19 have largely influenced the revised outlook. Cygnus Real Estate Finance Company has extended its initial public offering (IPO). In a release, Cygnus Capital, the parent company of Cygnus Real Estate, said subscription to the offering of ordinary shares has been extended to September 10. Now to dollar, $153.73 is the latest average selling rate for the U.S. currency. The Canadian dollar is trading at $121.21. It's costing $209.28 for the pound and $182.54 for the euro. Oil prices rose more than 5% today. The gains were due to a weaker dollar and strong movements in global equities markets. Brent crude gained $3.57, settling at $68.75 a barrel. This was a recovery from last week's slip of 8% for Brent crude and 9% for the U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude, which was the biggest week of losses in more than 9 months. Now back home, the JSE index lost 1,908 points, while the junior market index gained almost 2 points. Now today's advances include KLE Group, Siboney Group, Main Event Entertainment Group, JMMB's 7.5% shares, and Stationery and Office Supplies Limited, while on the losing side were JMMB Group's 7.25% variable Jamaican dollar cumulative redeemable preference shares, Paramount Trading Jamaica, Express Catering, JMMB Group's 7.35% cumulative redeemable preference shares, and First Rock Capital Holdings US dollar shares. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. News from overseas right after this break.